Hello, welcome back to my channel. Everyone knows that bitter gourd is one of the best vegetable for diabetic patients. Frying bitter gourd without oil is more healthier and we do this very easily using air fryer. For preparing this bitter gourd chips, I have washed, cleaned and sliced 500 grams of bitter gourd. Also remove the seeds and keep it ready. Other ingredients needed are half a teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chana dal powder. Put all the powders in bitter gourd slices and toss it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of curd or buttermilk and toss again so that all the powders will stick to the bitter gourd slices. Mix well like this and keep it for 15 minutes. In this 15 minutes, the bitter gourd slices will shrink a little, and after 15 minutes, mix once again. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and transfer the bitter gourd slices to the air fryer tray. Let us transfer all the 500 grams at one time. And switch on. In between, you can open the tray and mix the bitter gourd slices twice, once in 10 minutes and fix it again. And now it is done and the bitter gourd chips are ready to serve. If you like this video, share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe for my channel. I have given the links of related videos in the description. Also click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.